And like, I don't know where I've been or what happened. Like I don't even know how this missed me. But y'all, I was doing myself a disservice by not
when I was someone else. Now the tables are turned and I climbed right out as well. Oh.
So what is up, y'all? It is your nursemaid Carle Rae coming at you guys with a hair video. So I'm so sorry for my voice if you guys have been following me on my social media account. But your girl have been sick and I'm just trying to get over whatever it is. But anywho, so I decided to partner with NaBeauty, or is it NaBeauty? I want to say it's NaBeauty or NaBeauty. I don't know which one it is, but I decided to partner with NaBeautyHair to bring you guys this look. Y'all, I'm not gonna lie though. At first I was kind of like, I don't know if I can do color. Like when I got it, I was like, this is kind of really 2000s. Like, you know, like the highlights and stuff like that. So I was just like really apprehensive and really just like, oh my God, like how am I gonna pull this off? Like, yeah, I just know this wig ain't gonna be for me, but I'm gonna try to make it do what it do. The good gods came down and blessed these hands of mine, y'all. This look is phenomenal. Outside of the fact that I burned my freaking forehead, guys. But outside of that, this look came out really, really great. So I am really, really loving this hair, y'all. Really, really loving this hair. I'm gonna give y'all some salon secret tips right here. So y'all, I used that Blonde Me cream developer and powder from Sally's Beauty Supply. Sorry, y'all, my yard man just walked up. But yeah, so I used those two products from Sally's Beauty Supply to bleach my knots, and y'all, they did surprisingly well. Another thing that I did was I used my mannequin head to my advantage. So normally what I would used to do is to put the wig on my head and then style it and do everything off of my head. Well, now this time I put the wig on a mannequin head and I flat ironed the roots and everything like that. So to ensure that you get the flattest, hang on y'all. So sorry, my lung guide's here and it's still kind of awkward when like they are directly in front of my studio. And so they are looking directly in at me. So it kind of throws me off my game. So I went ahead and closed the curtains as well. Another big tip is that you need to put the wig on a mannequin and do the hair and style it and get it ready and all prepped before you actually apply it to your head. I found this to be the major key for me, major key. So with this, like I said, I bleached my knots and I washed the hair, I let it air dry, and then I put it on the mannequin head. I used my hot comb and I pressed out the roots. So by pressing out the roots, it will help you whenever you go to apply the wig. Because you know, sometimes when you use that Ghost Bond or Gots to Be glue, whatever type of stuff that you're using to adhere your wig down, a lot of the times it will get stuck in the lace and in that hole where you're trying to lay your lace and everything like that. It'll get stuck in this whole process, make it look really gunky and nasty and bad. So to ensure a flawless install, what you need to do is to press out the roots. And I use the Carle Rae stick that I got from Sally's Beauty Supply as well. You can also find them at any other local beauty supply within your area. So, or even if you don't want to use the Carle Rae wax stick, you can always use any type of wax stick, period. So, but what I had on hand was the Carle Rae, and I pressed out my roots. So I pressed out my roots with the hot comb, and y'all, it helped so freaking much with my installation process. Like, I wasn't having to fight hairs to get them out the glue or anything like that. Like, that was the best thing I could have done for myself. But yeah, so to get into some details about this hair, y'all. Okay, like I said, it is from NaBeautyHair or NaBeauty or NaBeauty, one of those. I did get it in 18 inches. You do have options to go up in length. You can go up to 20, you can get a 16 inch, but I opted for an 18 inch, something just, you know, about right here. It does come to about my boobage area, so right here, nipple line for me. Now, as far as in density, sis isn't thick. Sis ain't thick. You know, she ain't thicker than a Snicker. Y'all, this couldn't have happened at the worst time. Lord. This is about like, sis is slim thick. I'm gonna put it like that. Sis got a little umph at the back, but you know, she ain't super thick though. So I got her in 150% density, and like I said, sis is not thick. So you can go up in density if you would like to. So for me, I got a 13x6 lace front. You can get the option to have a 360. Hang on. So you can get the option to have a 360 wig or a full lace wig, but for me, I just chose the 13x6, and y'all, it's pretty good parting space. I cannot complain with that. So for the style, I did choose a straight wig. You can get the option of a loose wave, you can get the option of a deep wave, you can get the option of a natural wave, body wave, whatever you want. You can actually tell them, and they actually have a drop down menu of what type of style you would like, and just select that specific one. So I really like that NaBeauty is like they give you the freedom to make and customize your wig. It's not just like, oh, this is the one wig that we offer and you just gotta pick from it. No, you can make this wig your own specific wig. You can even choose what color you want. If you want a custom color, you can tell them and they'll dye the wig for you. Like, NaBeauty gives you those options to customize this wig to exactly what you want. They even stepped it up and give you guys the option to put in a fake scalp. For me, I didn't worry about the fake scalp. I knew that, you know, I could still make it do what it do with the 13x6 frontal. So the fact that they give you that option to incorporate a fake scalp, oh my God, that's like one of the best things that a hair company can possess, and all for a reasonable price. So y'all, I really highly suggest that you guys go try out NaBeauty. I will have all of NaBeauty's information listed down below in the description box. Make sure you guys please check them out. Make sure you check my description box below. And also guys, make sure you guys subscribe, comment. If you guys have tried this hair company, let me know your thoughts and your feelings down below. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and sis will see you guys in her vlog. So bye babes.